my god. Alright, let me get my composure.
Yeah, someone still hasn't composed their poop hole.
Someone can't compose. Well.
Okay.
Alright. Fight Dodo. No, you press A after he brings his hand up.
Dude!
Bro, you better not lose. Bowser, you better not make Bowser die to Dodo. If you hear this, you're not gonna hear from the end of us or the comments section.
Hey, you don't get to attack twice.
Yes, he does.
Bro, he's big, bro.
Dude, he's the doo-doo bird. Of course he does.
Yeah, he's a...
I pressed A.
No, he
Wait, isn't he a crow? Cause he's like black?
No, that.
Or is that a raven? All I know is
It's
that
black
he's
and red, so it's probably
he's not a
No,
dodo bird.
he's more relation to the toucan bird.
He's a lot of different birds, isn't he? Oh.
Yeah, he's Terrence from Angry Birds. He's.
I like how he just sits down.
He is built like Terrence. Yo, Bowser got them hops! Bro, Bowser can jump cliffs at a single bound, or whatever they said about
Mama!
Ow.
resistant. Oh, that's... Bowser, get over here now, please. Alright, I guess just fight.
I want to squeeze him.
Okay.
Want to heal bonus?
Oh my lord.
Perfect. That's such
Ow.
a pretty color attack. This shouldn't be that bad, right?
When do I dodge this?
You can't block.
Dude, I want.
It literally said you can't block.
I want to be covered in her piss. What?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
What?
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 Bro, where'd she get that banana?
She literally just
She woke up slappy you!
I want to be slapped by her.
You see that? Mario woke up after that.
I want to be slapped by her.
You got a freebie.
I want to get a freebie from her.
Alright, enough. You calm down.
Don't tell me you wouldn't.
Oh.
Oh yes, mommy,
Bro,
harder.
you really missed
Stop!
You really missed the stationary target.
Oh yes, flash me harder.
Ow!
Mario's asleep again. Uh-oh.
You know, obviously
Can we
too.
just please bring in like Peach or like Mallow to the empty spot?
I'll let her flash me.
Can we do that?
I guess not, since not letting us do it.
You can't block any of her attacks.
Oh yeah, harder.
Stop it!
Well,
Mario's a fucking mushroom now because you said that.
Sleep no more. You couldn't have blocked the attack.
Yeah, stupid. I'd rather it be warm so I'm a bit bigger, because if it's cold then I'm softer. Just like that, mommy.
Enough!
No.
Oh, hey, he's back.
Hi, Dodo.
I like how he just sits down.
Doo-doo, how could you lose already?
He almost didn't.
Well, yeah, you almost did it. Actually, I wonder what happens if you were to die in that situation. I wonder what happened. Would you just never get Bowser back? He's back! Yo, so... finally! Alright, now we got our full team members back.
Dude, Bowser looks so small!
He is a bit of a short boy in this, isn't he?
I didn't even have time to avoid the attack because I was laughing at it. Oh, that was funny.
No, Valentina. Right up the soup.
Okay, I was trying to figure out when to press it for that. Have the prince fight the fake prince. That's how it works, right?
Oh, yeah. Dude, oh my goodness, it's like...
Oh, what does Star Rain do?
Yo, Thomas, are you...
Oh yeah, what does Star Rain do? What?
A falling star press save on it.
Yo, Thomas, are you
Oh.
are you like some anime narrative writer having the fake prince fight the real prince or something?
No.
Bro, it's crazy.
Alright, so it looks like I hit A multiple times.
Well, no, it says press A when it hits.
Yeah. It's like
Okay,
it's like
I see
Mario's
how it
jump.
Okay,
It's
yeah,
like
so it's like Mario's jump, but like, okay. I thought it was just like a one-time thing.
no.
I don't remember what this is.
It just hits all enemies. Read it!
Attack all.
Attack all enemies!
Screw, we'll use it.
I forgot what it does. He says is there's like a thing saying exactly what he's...
Yeah, that's what I was reading off of. That's why I said press A multiple times.
Yeah. It's Dodo weakness. He's still standing, bro? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look how much fluff he has.
Homie Senator Armstrong. He's standing there realizing. Rotate L. Rotate the L stick. Rotate! Thank you. Oh, he's sitting down.
Oh yeah,
Is he
flash
good?
me, babe.
Okay, nice.
I'll get knocked out too if you flash me.
Can you switch to someone that isn't sleeping?
Gino's just dead.
Okay, nice. You could do that. It would heal Bowser and Mario and wake Mario up, I would assume.
Hello.
Yeah, it does wake up Mario. Nice.
I mistimed that by a long shot.
Okay, you can't. Oh, nice. Didn't matter.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry, but I found that
press
one.
A at the right time, clearly.
Peach doesn't really...
Just normal attack.
Normally, yeah. I'd say.
I'm not getting trapped in her
I'm not
bubbles.
worried.
Oh yeah, that's.
I'm not worried about attacking Dodo because he's really not doing anything.
I think you beat him. I think that's why he's sitting down. Well, everyone's
This could be
asleep.
a
Alright, I
problem.
guess you just gotta burn some turns.
Okay, I'm gonna wake Gino back up, actually.
Peach is like, I'm out of here, even though I'm sleeping. Gino, get in here. He's like, I'm dead. Alright, what's up?
Hi.
Oh, okay.
Oh, freeze me harder.
Ow.
Oh, well,
Oh,
hey,
Mario's
at least
dead.
he can revive Mario. Okay, yes, I say pick me up as Gino.
I wouldn't mind if she froze me.
Will
Well,
you stop it?
Bro, I wouldn't mind a pick me up from Gino. Bro, I'm sure that shake is pretty delicious.
Dude, that would be.
And since we're healing right now, let's heal up Bowser.
Oh, I cannot wait to be like, you just attack her once with Mario and then it just ends the fight, so you just wasted that much.
I mistimed that.
No, you didn't.
You really did waste that much because he didn't attack Bowser! This show's over, folks. Dodo, let's get out of here. Well, everyone until we meet again. She got like, I just noticed she got like really big from overworld battle.
No, I gotta say it like funny, like wah 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 wah.
Where they go?
Oh, they're out. 200 coins?
Well, we did just fight royalty, so.
Well, fake royalty. But yeah, they probably are still Jack. Great, they're gone. Hurry, let's go after her. I know she has the key. Ack!
No, she
Well, now
doesn't.
we have the key.
Ow!
I got brain damage now.
Oh, I did bring damage. Mario, look!
A trombone. Wah wah.
It's a key.
It's a key to my heart.
Okay.
Mallow, you are a beautiful person, and I appreciate you as a friend.
Where did he get that?
Peach, obviously.
Wait, what? That makes Mallow sad.
Oh, he's probably crying because he met his parents. Because he used to
yeah.
get to him.
Oh, look how happy he is.
Hi.
Oh, look how happy he was.
That's cute little scene.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mom, Dad, I'd like you to meet Mario and my other travel companions. Someone else can do it.
I say, how can we even thank you enough? I'm Mallow's father, King Nimbus. Hello, everyone. I thank you so much for looking after my dear child.
It's the same way.
Just higher pitch.
Yeah.
I mean, you use everyone.
Please don't.
This is Princess Peach. That's your kingdom. Alright, just like you know your mom, I guess. Or, wait, was that Dad saying it? Wow, that really got you guys, huh?
Please don't. Okay.
You guys good?
Okay, we're running out of stuff. Dude. Come on, keep talking.
Yeah, just go. Just go. I think it's my job.
Just
I've
please
heard so
don't.
much about you. May I have your autograph?
Please don't.
Don't embarrass Junior, dear.
Oh,
Oh, never
God.
mind, Dad. My bitch says.
If I want an autograph, I'll get an autograph.
And who is this gentleman here? Oh, that's Princess Peach.
This is Mario. He helped me from the start.
I don't care. You don't mean the Mario? Jumping Mario? Autograph, please?
That wasn't a question. That was a statement.
That's
Didn't it end in a
quite
question mark?
enough, dear. Shut up, you little bitch.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
okay.
why-
And how about showing me just a little jump? A tiny hopper-doo? No.
See that, like, double backflip? Wow, crazy.
Oh, fantastic.
This is Bowser, leader of the Bowser's me. Alright.
Oh, another famous person. This is just too much. I must have your autograph.
Oh, Bowser.
You
Bowser
little piece
isn't-
of shit! Shut up! No, not even a little slipper. Okay.
Sorry. And this is Gino, who came from the starry sky, like I told you before.
Who came?
And saw.
Oh, yes. The story about the Starway. How awful. Anyway, so about the...
That's Star Road.
I don't care. Alright, speaking of stars, a little while ago, a large star fell onto the volcano.
Into.
I was about to say, I combined into and
I
onto.
bet that's one of the star pieces.
Shut up!
Dad, you don't know how to read.
You're grounded!
No! You can't ground me. I'm a clown.
But the dreaded sand dragon inhabits the volcano. It's going to be tough getting a star out of here. I don't care. Perhaps if working together could handle the beast. That beast. Press A.
Wasn't that fucking
When
funny?
I was young, I had a stroke. Yes, yes, dear. Now, once at the volcano, find cinder. Oh, okay.
For
that's how
some
you do
reason,
that.
I thought he actually said that for a second.
Find cinder toad. He'll be able to help you. Before you go to the volcano, you ought to take a dip in the hot springs out back. They're the pride of Nimbusland.
Okay, we'll do that.
You be careful, everyone. I'm gonna make some cookies.
Okay, but we probably won't come back until we find the star.
Good. Good riddance.
It never came back. Oh, all right. Well, I guess we're going to Hot Springs. I guess.
That shouldn't have been so fucking funny.
I don't care. I say what's funny, what's not. I like birds.
Well, I hope someone watching this found it funny. Because even if one viewer finds our commentary entertaining or funny,
I
then
am the
it's worth
viewer.
it. Oh, look, they all got statues.
Yeah, I'm a statue.
That was adorable. Wait, what happened to the bird away?
Shut up. I don't know.
They just launched that.
I ate it.
they launched that shit just off the corner of the cloud.
Tossed it on the frying pan, you know.
Yeah. Bro.
Did we ever? Hold on, wait.
What? Sorry, what?
Did we ever look and see what was the other way in here?
I don't know. Did we?
I don't think we did.
No. I guess if you want to, you can. I don't.
Oh, I'm glad we came over here.
Oh, hey, an extra 5 point. Let's go. That's nice. Haha, shortcut. Be up. Boing.
Oh.
Oh,
okay.
okay. We'll just circle back around. Alright, well. I mean, at least we still got the flower thing, so that's good.
That's fine.
Alright. I am going to be right back, so you guys. Oh, apparently, y'all two just together can have laughing fits, so I'm sure y'all.
See, when you're not around, that's not half of it.
Sure.
considering we, you know, and over there we have, bless you, and remember that.
God damn it, it still makes me laugh.
I forgot what Sunday podcast that was. But
I don't know, I'll have to look back at it later. Which way are the hot springs again?
Yeah, I think
Jump off? No, I cannot.
No. I think I may know how to get to it. No, maybe it's this way. No, okay. What?
Wasn't this the statue guy?
The bus is undergoing repairs.
Oh,
Here, let
okay.
me see controller.
Yeah, I got
I
you.
think it's somewhere in the castle you have to go through.
Oh yeah, it isn't. It's fuck, and I backtracked all the way to here. If you go left, it's shorter.
No.
I think.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Let me try this door.
It was through the middle door, I believe. Because the middle one was the locked one.
Oh. I can't jump over that.
Why was that so fucking funny?
I don't know.
Why do you do this?
I don't know.
Just sprinting through the halls. Nice. I could have sworn we got that earlier.
You probably did, but I don't know.
Yeah, because there's where we started Dodo. That's hot.
Oh.
He had his hat off.
Hello.
Oh, hey, we're here.
Only royalty is allowed. Hey, you're the real prince. Sorry about the misunderstanding. Chris? Oh my gosh, I know him.
Boys.
Oh, hey, we're burning daylight.
It's our boy Chris.
No, we're burning daylight. Okay. Front owner. Sorry about the misunderstanding before. Bird could have been a prince, huh? No big deal. Anyway, do you think you can let us through, yeah? Of course. Of course, there. Go right ahead, please. It's over here. But be careful not to fall into the volcano.
I want to talk to the statue. Okay.
Something happened.
Yeah, what did that do?
It probably healed you, maybe.
Oh, Mario.
What if you got warm? What did that
Did
sign
that?
say?
Oh, it did heal us.
Nice, we found a healing path.
Or did we hit a save block at some point?
Wait, no. Danger beyond the edges.
All right, well that's probably where we're going. Mario's dead.
Hey, we're back in hell. Remember when we were here at the beginning of the game?
How's the time frame going? Oh,
18 minutes, almost 19.
These are stronger than I remember. Valor. Valor. Oh, oops. There we go. Yay. We got an energizer. I'm tired of doing that, so...
That's what I'm about.
Ooh. Are they physical? Okay.
I know you guys can't hear the music.
Can I fall? Ah, you can fall in the lava.
Of course. It's a game.
I don't know which way I should be going.
I guess this is only for this area. Watch out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Nice. These things are weak. Once again, let's go. You suck. My point stands. What's up? We're in.
So-
What's that back? I heard something like fall down. Are you good?
We've passed the hot
Yeah.
springs, and Bowser just leveled up and
Oh, nice.
acquired Mecha Koopa Stomp.
And we're in hell.
I can see that.
And also we healed up from the hot springs.
Nice.
Mario got very red.
Also, Thomas said no to double XP.
What?
He
No,
said
it was double coins.
Oh.
Oh, you wait. You just straight up just said no to the Lucky Way.
I don't know.
Yeah, he said no to Yoshi.
Said no to Baby Yoshi.
I want to fight it.
And then fight it.
Armored ant.
What are we?
140.
Guys, we're fighting an ant.
That's an armored ant,
That ant.
actually.
Dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant.
And he's almost down. There we go.
There we go.
Defense.
You
Valor.
owe me a dick, sir.
Man, defense is up. How's it gonna get down? How is the fence gonna get down now? Get it? Because fence is supposed to be on the ground.
Okay, here.
Double XP. Yes, double XP. Why would you not want double
You know,
XP?
I'm usually the one that points this out. Jacob also does too, but...
Middle.
What did you go with the right?
I don't know.
Homie just wanted to make sure we were lying.
Oh, hey.
So what's up?
Look there. You feel that black?
That's up
Yeah.
by
That's fun.
5, 3.
I like Bowser Shimmy.
Do we just want to keep upgrading Dino's attack? It goes up by 3, but this goes up by 5.
Attack!
Attack it is.
He attack and protect. Most importantly, he lives on in our hearts. Even after this game. Many years later.
Seconds later, there's like one more new Mario Kart DLC, and it just adds Gino as a fire.
Please, they
As like a
should.
fire suit instead of.
That would have been cool.
And they should have had Gino as a fire suit. Why didn't they?
I don't
Because
know.
this game was hyped.
You're a special
during
enemy,
Wave
so...
6. During Wave 6, this game was hyped, and so was Wonder.
Well, hey, when we eventually get a Mario
There
Kart
we
9
go.
release, you know,
That's handled.
I'm sure with
Hey,
because I'm pretty sure this game is being its reception is
Hey, keep it.
really well so far.
You're,
So I'm pretty sure they know to use these characters.
I
For,
wanted to fight it, don't worry.
I'm pretty sure they can use these characters for Mario Kart 9. I mean, to be fair, Nintendo and Square Enix has been getting into like a really good like relationship so far. Cause like like with Smash Bros. Originally when they let Cloud in, like he only had like 2 music tracks, but when they got Sephiroth in, they finally got like more of an actual like soundtrack, which was sick.
Do we really need to double our
Yes,
coins?
Yes.
money. Stuff's expensive, bro.
Okay. Left.
Left. Didn't imagine it's just right.
Yeah, he is right.
No, he's left.
No, he was right.
Yeah, I'm right. My left.
Yeah,
What?
Yeah, he was right.
Yeah, you're...
Go.
Go. Couldn't attack the big guy? There you go. Oh, you didn't even level up from that, but I'm sure you're close, so...
Don't forget, those guys are.
Yeah, I remember to switch to Gino.
Yeah. But guess what? That is for.
After this fight will be next episode.
Yeah.
You really don't have to do it.
Okay,
These things
after
are
the
not strong.
lucky. No, you're doing it. If it's double XP, you're doing it. If it's double coins, you're doing it.
Oh, I was talking about these things. These things aren't very strong.
Heads you win, tails you lose.
Lucky.
Double lucky? Does that mean what? Like, you get to do both?
Okay.
These guys aren't that strong.
They're not. They only did 1 hit point.
Yeah, well, he clearly hasn't killed him in
There
2
you go.
attacks.
Alright, in the next episode, we
No, after the lucky.
Alright, we got
Double the coins, double the coins.
Double.
Even, I don't care if you got like 2 coins. Right.
Alright, next video, it's gonna be me! Yay! I'm gonna hurt myself.
Hey, Peach leveled up.
Alright, I guess we gotta wait for Peach to level up because she gets a spotlight because she's a
Next
girl!
episode after this, I promise. Psych bomb!
I'm
Make
psyched.
me mad and boom!
I mean,
5, 1.
have you ever
Three.
I
had
say HP for
I mean,
Peach.
have you ever had like a anger set? I mean, okay, anyway. Next video.
Oh!
Next video, just next video.
Yeah, next video. Bye.